Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Access State. In today's video, we are going to talk about automation tools. Now, some of you not know exactly what automation means. So let me tell you in very simple way. Automation means when you don't have to do some work again and again by yourself. And instead, a tool or software does it for you, like sending emails automatically, posting on social media, or even replying to your website visitors without typing each time. So if you are a student or a person who work online or you have a small business, then these tools will really help you to save your time and make your work much easier. And today I will show you three of the best automation tools. Some are free and some are paid, but all are useful. Don't forget to check the description below. I will put the link of the tools there so you can check that out. So there are thousands of automation tools, but in this video, I will talk about the best three tools. So let's get started. The first one is called Zapier. This tool is one of the most popular automation tools in the world of automation. It works like a bridge between many apps. For example, if someone fills out a Google form, you can set Zapier to automatically send that form data to your email or even post it on your Slack or Trello board. It can connect apps like Gmail, Google Sheet, Slack, Notion, and many more. It is free to use for basic tasks and they give you 100 tasks per month on the free plan. But if you want to do many tasks or use premium apps, then you need to go for the paid version. Still, for a beginner, the free plan is very helpful and simple. The second tool is called Make, and it was earlier called Integromat. It is a very smart automation platform. It is a little more visual, which means you can see how your automation is flowing from one step to another. So it helps to understand better like how the process is going or working. And just like Zapier, it connects many apps, but some people like Make more because it gives more feature for free and lets you do more complex automation without paying first. The free plan gives you 1000 operation per month, and which is quite a lot for new users. But yes, it can feel a little confusing in the beginning stage, but they have many templates and tutorial to help you. And the third tool is Public Connect. Now, this one is getting more popular because it is a one-time payment tool. That means you pay once and then you can use it for your lifetime without paying monthly like Zapier or Make. It supports many apps and it is good for people who are running small businesses or want a cheaper automation solution. The interface is easy and many people from different countries like it because of the pricing. It has a free plan as well, and where you can try it first and then decide if you want to upgrade or not. So in the end of the video, all these tools are really good, and which one you should choose, that depends on your need. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.